In this video, I want to talk to you about the tonic herb known as Cissus, also known as devil's backbone. This is a popular tonic herb used in Ayurvedic medicine. It has its origins in Sri Lanka. However, it's used in many other varieties of Eastern medicine, including traditional Chinese medicine. Now, this is a tonic herb that possesses anti-inflammatory abilities. It's a tonic to the heart, lungs, and immune system. It can improve bone and teeth health, and even prevent and remedy diabetes. Perhaps its most commonly used benefit is to promote weight loss or fat loss. However, it has an abundance of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and triterpenoids that give it many medicinal properties, some of which I already mentioned. However, I want to talk to you about those in a bit more detail moving on in this video. So the first benefit, and as I mentioned, is its ability to help burn fat or to promote weight loss. And the way it does this is basically by strengthening the effectiveness or ability of the metabolic system. It has the ability to sort of suppress appetite naturally, which obviously means that we're going to eat less and eat more of the appropriate amount of food that we need to just be energized and nourished and not overeat. However, it also has the ability to promote fat burning and putting our metabolism in a state of burning fat for fuel, which means that we're going to obviously burn more fat and lose more body fat, but also improve our overall health by burning off fat-soluble toxins that can lead to further weight gain and hormonal imbalance, sort of a perpetuating cycle of fat gain. So it's a great herb for improving your metabolic function, losing fat, and achieving your ideal weight. Now, it's pretty common science today that obesity and cardiovascular disease are sort of going hand in hand. And so one of the benefits or the side effects of an improved metabolism and an improved healthier weight is going to be an improvement in our heart health or cardiovascular health. So by helping us burn off unnecessary excess fat, we're going to actually help promote healthier levels of cholesterol in our body. And Cissus is a great herb for doing this. And it's also going to help act as an anti-inflammatory herb that helps prevent the sort of calcification or fibrosis of our arteries and in our heart or cardiovascular system. So overall, is a great tonic to the heart as well. Now, a unique benefit of Cissus is its ability to promote osteoblasts, which are basically the cells that grow our teeth and our bones. So it has been used traditionally to help accelerate the healing of broken bones and overall greater skeletal health. Next, in a sort of a blanket benefit of Cissus is that it is an anti-inflammatory herb. Now, inflammation is really just sort of a response from the immune system when there's a pathogen or toxin or foreign invader inside of our body, and this is our body's way of sort of protecting ourselves. So with that being said, it's about 95% of diseases, or almost all disease, can be traced back to some form of inflammation. This is one theory of disease. However, if that is the case, then as an anti-inflammatory herb, it can help with everything from diabetes to obesity to heart disease to basic issues such as acne. These are sort of inflammatory responses that are more subtle. Acne, eczema, psoriasis, hair loss, just joint, knee pain, back pain, any sort of pain, even dental problems, bleeding gums. These things can be traced back to inflammation. Now, this isn't studied very intensely. However, I'm sure that you could, piece everything together and find the different connections of inflammation to a particular disease and trace it back to the inflammatory abilities of this particular herb. So if you're looking for some sort of preventative medicine, tonic herb, to remedy likelihoods of inflammation, then Cissus is a great anti-inflammatory herb that can be of use. Next, a more traditional benefit of Cissus is that it is a lung tonic. It has been used to dispel dampness or mucus from the lung, so it's great for anybody with bronchitis, asthma, somebody even with a flu and have mucus in the lungs, any sort of issue of the lungs, and impediments in breathing. If you're an ex-smoker or smoker and you're trying to detoxify from this, Cissus is a great herb for getting that mucus out from the lungs and improving your lung health, which is going to ultimately improve your immunity, because your immunity is housed generally in your lungs. It's your qi in Chinese medicine. It really helps protect your lymphatic system and your basic immunity. So breath, as we know, is one of the most important elements to being healthy and alive. So keeping your lungs healthy is vital for good health and strong immunity. Next, Cissus has been used to help prevent and remedy diabetes. It's really great at regulating blood sugar and insulin responses. It helps regulate our blood glucose levels. So this is obviously really great because diabetes can eventually lead to death if it's not taken care of. It has many unpleasant side effects, everything from issues with your hormones, obviously weight. It could lead to, there's even been correlations of diabetics in hair loss and in teeth problems, dental problems that could even be deadly and cause heart disease. So managing an issue like diabetes is something that's very important, not to be taken lightly. This is a great herb that's been known to help regulate your blood sugar. So if you're somebody with imbalanced blood sugar, you're sensitive or insensitive to insulin, or you're diabetic, then I highly recommend studying and possibly using this herb. Next, this is an immunomodulating herb. It contains high level of triterpenoids, which have many immunological properties. It helps basically fight off pathogens, viruses, funguses, any sort of harmful bacteria or pathogen. It's also really high in vitamin C, which we know is a precursor to, promoting white blood cell production, which is going to help fight off viruses and any sort of infection in the body. So if you're someone with low immunity, or you're just looking to improve the integrity of your immune system, Cissus is something that can help. Another side benefit of the high quantity of vitamin C found in Cissus is that it's going to help promote healthier skin. Vitamin C is used as a precursor to collagen synthesis and collagen production, which is the primary tissue or protein that makes up your skin tissues. So a decrease in collagen can cause wrinkles and fine lines and aging skin. So if you're somebody that is, you're just getting older in years, or you've experienced oxidative damage and whatever the case, if you're looking to improve the health and appearance of your skin, then uptake your vitamin C levels, of course, drink plenty of water, or you could take Cissus as a way to sort of, fight off any sort of deeper rooted issues related to skin problems. Vitamin C is obviously an antioxidant, which helps prevent oxidative stress, which usually causes, wrinkles and deterioration of our tissues and our skin. So this is going to be a preventative sort of herb also, as well as one that sort of rebuilds the integrity and the quality of our skin. So to recap, these are just a few of the primary benefits of Cissus that I found in my research and in my use of this herb. If you're interested in learning more about the herb, of course, you can always do further study. You could study Chinese medicine as a whole. And if you're interested in trying it for yourself, then you can click the link below.